Hi everyone, I'm Colby Firnrohr. This is my third year here at 4Cs studying Blue Economy, also known as Applied Economics of Coastal and Ocean Environments. It's basically merging economics with marine biology and oceanography. After this degree, I'll be heading into a job over the summer, and then in between doing a 1-week internship at a shellfish farm to get that hands-on experience, which will help me on the path to getting a full-time job. I think growing up on the coast gave me lots of access to learning and just experiencing being in the environment, and I think that gave me like a natural curiosity towards it. And I've just kind of, through that, I've always known that I wanted to work in the ocean. When I first got here, it was from a 2-year gap after high school, so I didn't know exactly kind of what I wanted my experience to be like. The things that I got into was really based off the fact that I lived far away and didn't want to have to drive right back home after I got to school and like went to one class. So I just said yes to everything, and slowly and surely I found myself doing as many things as possible. It's been a blast. I've not only found myself as a member of PTK and the honors program, but just networking with so many people. I've gotten internships through here at Woods Hole. Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't compare yourself, where you're at in your journey, or anything about you to anybody else, because you are right where you're supposed to be at this time. I've worked with students here and met people who are in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and there are high school students who are doing dual enrollment. So no matter what step you are in your life journey, you're right where you need to be, and you should be proud of that.